Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to create Instagram story highlight covers. So guys, this is basically to extend your story life from 24 hours to the permanent time period, and secondly you can organize and make your Instagram profile more attractive by doing so. So let me guide how to do this. First of all, you have to just install an app which is named as Canva. After installing, you have to just create account on this app. Keep in mind that this app is reliable and safe and you can use it without any issue. So after installing, you have to just open it, and after opening you will find such type of the interface. You have to just scroll down and here search for the Instagram stories, and you can see that I find this option here. You have to just click on see all, and here you will find a lot of the different templates, but you have to just click on the create blank. So here you can see a blank page. You have to just tap on the plus icon here and then click on the elements. As we want to create a cover for our story on Instagram, so you have to just select for a circle here, and now you have to just give this circle a color, but make sure that this color relates to your profile image of Instagram. So let me check which is the primary color of my profile image. So you can see that black is the primary color of my profile image and white is the secondary color. So you have to just use for the primary color, that is the main color of your profile image. So I just move back to my Canva, and here I have to just give here the primary color of my image, like this is black. And doing so, you have to just move to the next step, which is the most important step for creating your cover. In this step, you have to just check that what is the content of your story. Like you can see that my story is about the laptop, so I have to just select for an image which relates to the laptop. So I just select it from my gallery. So I have to just click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of this page, and here click on the gallery, and I just select here images. Then I just select this laptop image here, as my story relates to the laptop. So you have to just select for the image that relates to your story content, okay? But if you not have any related image, then you can search it from your Google. Then click on the add to page, and you can see that it is here. And now you have to just crop the required part of this image, and then you have to just minimize its size a little bit, and then you have to just adjust it in the middle of the circle. If you want to add an outside cover to your circle, so you can do it. Like I just click on the plus icon and then click on elements and search here for this circle, and here I just change the color of this circle here like green, and then I just increase its size and adjust it on my circle. So yes, it has been completed. Then you have to just click on the download option at the top of this page, and it will save into your gallery. So our next step is to edit this cover to our story highlight. For this we have to just move back to our Instagram. So you have to just select the story on which you want to add this cover. If you want to post the new one, then you have to just click on the plus icon at the bottom middle of this page, and you can click on the story, and here you can create or post any story that you want. As I want to add this cover to my story that I have already uploaded, so I just tap on that story and then click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, and then click on the edit highlight. I just click on the edit cover, and here I just click on this gallery option and select for the cover that you have created, and then increase its size and adjust it according to the circle. Doing so, you have to just click on the next option, and here you can see that it has been covered perfectly, and then click on the done, and again you have to just click on the done. But before moving to this step, you have to just make sure that the title also relates to your cover. Once you are satisfied, then click on the done and wait for loading. And you can see that my highlight has been updated, as I've already used a cover on that story. So yes guys, this is an easy way to edit a cover on your highlight to your story on Instagram. So by following this method, you can make your Instagram profile more attractive and more organized and eye-catching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.